Hi everyone, I'm Eric from Agile Design and Fabrication, and today I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to assemble our lily table. So, out of the box, the table should look a bit like this. You should have four pieces like this, and this part here comes pre-assembled. You'll also have a little nylon hammer like this, which is with this Allen key, the only two tools you will be needing for the whole assembly process. They're included. So you want to set yourself up like so. On the floor is fine, but I would definitely use some kind of a blanket or a thick fabric on the floor just to make sure that nothing scratches the surface of the table, right? You'll also notice that these pieces here are numbered. So as you can see, on the leg part we have a number, and on the table next to this thing we also have a number. So you want to make sure these two match, just because everything's kind of hand fitted for these inserts here. So if we want to be precise, we have to make sure these numbers match, right? So the first step is actually with these pieces here. They're not numbered, meaning you can use anyone, anywhere. So these actually fit in here. So this part would go in the slot, and then they would slide in like so. So some of them you might be able to fit by hand, but usually they're pretty snug. So this is where the nylon mallet comes in. So to start off, grab the piece like this. You want to pull it a little bit forward to keep it down on the table, and just tap it in the end right here. At the end, you'll notice there's still a little bit of a gap. That we can get rid of that. The trick is to tap right in the bend here. There you go. So we make sure that our pieces are nicely aligned. Just want to tap on the top part a little bit, either left or right, and there we go. So, like I mentioned earlier, for this next part here, we have to check the numbers. So here we have number four, and so the number actually goes facing towards the center of the table, and then we just slide it in to the joint of the other part, just like this. Perfect. And then we keep going until we have all four legs assembled. So once all four legs are assembled, the next step would be to just solidify them, tie them in with these furniture bolts, which are also included in your kit. For this, you'll need the Allen key as well. So these bolts simply slide in here, and the hole might not align exactly with the insert that's underneath. That's perfectly normal. It's just there's a little bend in the wood sometimes. That's fine. Our plywood is flexible, so it allows for that. So you can simply tighten it a little bit with your fingers so it goes in. And then tighten the rest with the Allen key. Now you don't have to wrench this like crazy. Just when you feel it's kind of tight like this with your fingers, you should be all set. Keep going all the way around. Voila, once everything is assembled, nice and tight, we're ready to flip our table over. I finally use this is to flip it up like this. Kind of hold it against you. Just drop it in. Shoop. And voila, that's the little table for you.